Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I want to show you how you can make a really cool summer scarf. So this time we have Woolly Hug Sky Wool. It's out of cotton and is very light and fluffy. So for this one you're going to use a bigger needle, so 6 to 7 millimeters. And I think this is a great material for the summer, so I plan on doing more with similar materials, and this one in particular. They are usually for smaller needles, but this one is an exception, and you can see how light it is. So it's 100 grams per 250 meters, and it's awesome that it's 100% cotton. And you can see a very interesting structure, so almost like a braid instead of a thread. And the color change is really subtle and pretty. So the reason why I actually chose this particular color and type of wool is because I really like the colors. So you see this minty light blue tone that comes pretty much out of the white beginning. So I'll do it again from the inside. So let's take the beginning and make a couple of chains. We're going to be making 6 this time. We need a needle size 6. So we are having a pointy triangle scarf, so this is going to be the pointy part. 1/2 treble crochet. Here is my first row, the point of my triangle, so now we need 5 more chains. Five, and 2 are for the height and 3 for the bow. You'll see in a moment. So I'll do a single crochet into this bow from our last row. Here the 1, and then again 3 chains for the next one, and again a 1/2 treble crochet. The result for now, and I'll start with our 3rd row. So again 5 chains, always 5 for a new row, and turn it around. And another single crochet. Three chains and 1 single crochet in the last bow. So that's how you get this light net structure, and as mentioned, 2 for the height of each new row and a 1/2 treble to close it up later. Third row, 3 bows, and we can keep going. I will continue. It will grow since we're adding the bows each time, and I'll show you after a while what the transition looks like. So I can show you the color gradient now. So starting with white here and moving on to this nice subtle change. This area here, and it increases slowly until we get it all nice and mixed. What I like the best is here, only the minty blue-green one, so no white this time, and I'm almost done now. So I measured the length of the longer side, so this one, and yeah, the long side has around 160 centimeters, so it's pretty big. Also not a tight pattern since we don't want any extra heat in the summer. So yeah, I was thinking of something we could still do this way, but not something for the winters and not something that actually makes it hotter, but something that just looks nice without making you all sweaty and too warm. Yeah, we're hoping for a really warm summer this time. This is all that's left, so let's pull the wool out. We'll weave it in, and yeah, the beginning and the end. And here we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you maybe tried this particular wool type yourself. Let me know what you made and how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up if you did, and to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll never miss anything new that we post. And yeah, I'll see you in our next project. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!